Hi, in this video I'm going to guide you which subjects in CSS exams can fetch you excellent marks because right combination of optional subjects will make your CSS journey easier and will ultimately lead you towards your desired occupational group. So without wasting your precious time, let's jump straight to the list of high scoring subjects. Anthropology. Anthropology is a new subject in the list of CSS optional subjects. This subject was added in 2015 for CSS 2016 exams and onwards. Many of the aspirants are unaware of the scoring trend of this subject. Although scoring trend keeps on changing every year, but some of the subjects in CSS exam always remain high scoring as compared to others. Topics of anthropology are very easy to learn because these are of general nature. 80% of the syllabus of this subject overlaps with sociology. It is a very high scoring subject as in CSS 2016, 17, 18 and CSS 2019 exams, many aspirants were able to fetch 70 plus marks in this subject. Even one of the lucky aspirants in CE 2016 scored 90 plus marks in this paper. Criminology. Criminology is another high scoring subject in CSS exams. Every year when CSS written result is announced, majority of the aspirants who had opted for this subject managed to score very good marks in this paper. It is very interesting subject and having a short syllabus makes it easy for the aspirants to cover it timely. The topics covered in syllabus of CSS Criminology include definition and understanding crimes and criminal theories of criminology, juvenile delinquency, juvenile justice system, criminal justice system, criminal investigation and others. Environmental science. Environmental science has been a scoring subject since its inclusion in optional subjects list. Environmental science is also very easy subject because it deals with natural ecosystem and environment of the earth. Some of its topics overlap with those of general science and ability. Aspirants while preparing general science and ability can cover it side by side. Additionally, in CSS English essay, topics related to environment are repeatedly asked. That is to say, one who opts for environmental science can prepare for environment related topic for CSS essay paper as well. The scoring trend of environmental science in CSS exam can be gauged from the fact that majority of the aspirants manage to get 50 plus marks with only 1 week preparation. Political science. Political science has got an overwhelming popularity in CSS optional subjects. It is one of those few subjects which has 2 papers in CSS. Majority of the aspirants of political science and score very good marks in it as compared to other subjects, especially international relations. The scoring trend of political science remains stable and fetching 120 plus marks in this subject is very common. In fact, some of the aspirants manage to get as high as 140 marks in this subject. Aspirants coming from social sciences background crack this subject very easily. It is easy and scoring not only for social sciences students but also for the aspirants who had never studied this subject in their academic years. Regional languages. Aspirants who can read and write their mother tongue are advised to opt for it in CSS exams, provided it is included in optional subjects. Balochi, Pashto, Punjabi and Sindhi are included in CSS syllabus, and these 4 regional language subjects are considered high scoring not only in CSS but in PMS exams as well. The aspirants opting for either of the languages can easily score 70 to 80 marks with dedicated preparation. These subjects, like all other high scoring subjects, are easy to comprehend. An aspirant can cover the syllabus of a regional language subject within maximum 10 to 12 days. So, if you are planning to appear in CSS exams, you should consider opting one of the 4 regional language subjects. Sociology. Sociology is the study of the structure, development and characteristics of human society. From its very definition, one can understand that how easy the subject is. It belongs to day-to-day functioning of the human society and community. Sociology has always been a high-scoring subject in CSS exams. It has very short syllabus and the aspirants can cover it within just a week. Its topics are very easy to understand and require less efforts to learn. The topics of sociology include sociability of man, meaning and characteristics of culture, meaning and characteristics of community, elements of culture, culture and socialization, society, meaning and its characteristics, social interaction, social control, public opinion and others. Psychology. Psychology, because it is a pure science subject, yields high marks in CSS exam. Unlike other science subjects, it is easy to learn. Every year when the result of CSS exams is announced, the aspirants who had opted for psychology score excellent marks in it. It is therefore advised for their own interest that the aspirants must consider this subject by having a look on the syllabus of the psychology and consult its past papers. The above mentioned 7 high scoring subjects have been listed by analyzing and data gathering from the past results of CSS and TMS exams. However, aspirants are advised to give due importance to each step of subject selection process. Combination of optional subjects maximizes the chances of success in the competitive exams. Before finally deciding which subject to opt for, a serious CSS aspirant goes through the syllabus of that particular subject, consults its past papers, and seeks and values the opinions of senior CSS instructors. Without making such an effort, choosing any subject for the competitive exams results in failure or low scores, which ultimately leads to disappointment.